Hi, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do a channel update. If you haven't noticed, I changed my channel name from blueovalgal's Houseplants and Garden to blueovalgal's This and That. I decided to change it because, as you may have noticed, I am not really uploading many plants videos. This is my Monstera Albo, the big one that you saw earlier. Don't want to get you too dizzy, but there it is. That's my Thai Constellation. But as you can see, I haven't uploaded any videos in a really long time regarding my plants. There's my Norfolk that my sister gave me. And then I have a African violet back there. So I thought instead what I would do is just call it This and That. I thought I could use this channel to upload videos I think you might be interested in watching, and videos that I just want to have memories of that won't fit on my planner channel, but that would fit here. I have a video that I would like to upload that we ordered emergency supplies of food. I wanted to share that haul, and since it doesn't fit over my planner channel, I thought I would put it here. And blueovalgal's This and That. I hope you stick around, but if you don't, thanks for being a subscriber for all that time, and I wish you well. Okay, that's it. Have a great weekend. Bye.